guys, it's G. Welcome back to another video. This section of the video is for the men in your life, whether you're buying for your dad, your boyfriend, your brother, I don't know, any men. I feel like this is the part where you guys need to listen because I actually have some good gift ideas, I think. Don't want to sound like a big head, but I feel like I am kind of pretty good at buying gifts for men. If you are stuck on buying gifts for the guys in your life, then this is for you. I'm actually going to kick it off with some sleep eye masks. Now, I actually got sent both of these. This one is a grey one and this one is a black one. Now, this one is actually my most recent one. This I actually received a few days ago, which I'm so excited about because as you can see, it's a black silk slip pillow. Oh my god. The slip silk sleep eye mask. That is such a tongue twister, but these are incredible. If you are buying for someone who has trouble sleeping and feel like, I don't know, this could kind of help relax them and maybe just help them if they're waking up in the night quite a lot, this is a good guy present because it's not feminine at all. Obviously women can have this as well, but I feel like this is a good present for a guy. So I have this one, which is the grey charcoal one. So this is the charcoal version. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful box, and the quality of this, I did not expect this to feel this soft. I'm not a person who wears eye masks. I tell you something, when you feel this, you'll want to wear this to bed because it is like the softest thing. It's so gentle and soft and I don't know, it's just amazing, and I feel like anyone would appreciate this. So this is the charcoal one, which I think is a perfect colour for any guy. Really minimal, super light cushiony as well, and it really does block out all of the light. So if you are wanting to spend a bit more money on someone and you think, what do I get them? I feel like a slip eye mask is definitely something a guy would appreciate. And then we also have the black one here, which I think this one is the one that I'm going to keep because black is my soul and I just love it. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. So this is actually the original packaging of it. So it comes in a box anyway. So you basically just wrap this up and then it comes with a protector and you take the protector off, which I can never do. This is what the eye mask looks like from Slip, but you also can get a pillowcase. I think their original branding is like pillowcases, but if you wanted to get an eye mask for the guy in your life, then I think this is perfect. The black is beautiful as well. This is the one that I'm most likely going to keep and maybe gift the charcoal one, but it's beautiful. Like, you can't go wrong. It's stunning, it looks beautiful, it's very manly. But yeah, I just thought that was a good shout because everybody needs this in their life if they're struggling to sleep or they can't get to sleep at night. Whack this on and I'm pretty sure they'll be asleep in no time. Now this is something that has never ever failed me, and of course I had to mention it in the men's part of this video, and it's Penhaligon's Healthy fragrance. Now this is such a perfect fragrance for any guy. I feel like every guy would love this. I obviously have it, my dad has it, he loves it. Everybody, like, whenever I wear this, I get compliments, but it smells so different on my dad than it does to me. Like, everybody goes mad when I wear this, but when I smell it on my dad, it smells like so much more manly, which I think is bizarre. If you don't know what he likes fragrance wise, you can never go wrong with Penhaligon's Healthy. And you also can get as well, if you didn't want to splurge that much on a fragrance, you could also get them a fragrance library, and it's basically a little tin with miniature Penhaligon fragrances. It's basically loads of different fragrances and you can kind of see which one that you like, and then maybe for a birthday or Christmas again, you can buy the full size. So yeah, they have many options. They also sell the body wash and hand wash to this as well. They do, like I said before, they actually sell a gift set with the full size of this and I think it's the hand wash as a set at the same price as the fragrance. So yeah, definitely check them out. This has never failed me and everybody loves this, everyone. Another gift that I thought would be really nice for guys is a personalised bracelet. I actually bought my dad a personalised bracelet, I think to years ago now for Christmas, and he absolutely loved it. You can get many different versions, different budgets as well, but I think it's such a nice way to give them something that's personalised with their initials on it. You can actually get them from many different websites. You also can get just normal bracelets as well. Thomas Darbo do some gorgeous men's bracelets. I bought my dad one again last year and he loves the Thomas Darbo bracelet, so yeah, from me being approved by my dad, I think that says it all. If you have a guy in your life that loves his jewellery and bracelets and watches, then definitely get him a personalised bracelet or just a lovely bracelet from Thomas Darbo, because that has never let me down. I feel like a designer wash bag is quite nice as well. It doesn't have to be designer, but I feel like Coach wash bags are so beautiful, not too expensive, but they are like really good quality. You can get some really nice wash bags from Next, River Island, different brands, and I feel like you can never go wrong with a beautiful like leather wash bag. Maybe fill it with their favourite items like deodorant or maybe the perfume library, I don't know, but wash bags never fail when it comes to Christmas, because every guy loves a wash bag. This next one is like men and women, so it doesn't have to have a gender attached to it, but watch straps. If you know someone who has an Apple Watch or a Fitbit or whatever the type of watch it is, you could definitely get them different watch straps because it gives them different options. It's also nice to switch it up. And yeah, I just thought it was a really good idea. I'm not huge into watches, but it was something that I wanted to mention in the video. Oh my god, molten brown shower gels. I've unfortunately run out of my molten brown shower gels. They are so bougie. I did treat myself when we went into the outlet at Cheshire Oaks, but if you go to any outlet stores, I really recommend getting some molten brown shower gels for like guys especially, because they do some incredible men's scents. Like the scents for the men is amazing. I buy a lot of like the men scents, so I definitely can vouch that they are beautiful. And yeah, I think it's nice to maybe pop that with like the wash bag. Really nice thoughtful gift. I will admit, no guy is going to say no to a shower gel, especially when it's molten brown, because all of their fragrances are lovely. You can get different types. You could also get like skincare as well for men. Lizelle actually sell a men's skincare kit as well, so if he's into skincare or you think he should look after himself, then Lizelle also do some nice sets as well for the men. Now this is like the second to last product now, but another item I've actually popped on my list was belts. Guys love belts, and again, I feel like you can never go wrong with buying a belt for someone if they are into that, like fashion wise as well. I think it's really nice to maybe like see what the style is, see what they like. You can get some really nice leather belts from Coach, some really nice ones. Like that's designer, but it's not too expensive as well. You can obviously get some really nice ones from like, I don't know, River Island and Topman and ASOS as well. ASOS do some really amazing gifts. PJs as well. Men love PJs and socks. Definitely don't forget about that. Even a dressing gown. I mean, what guy doesn't love a dressing gown? If women love dressing gowns, surely men should love them too. What the hell is that? Now this is something that I've quickly like popped in and added into this video, but if you do know someone who loves their tech and headphones and earphones and stuff, I feel like this is quite self-explanatory and obvious, but AirPods, I do feel like AirPods is a great gift. They do obviously still sell the original first generation, which only got released last year or the year before, which I own, and they are the cheapest ones. So if you were gonna splurge on someone and maybe buy a main present for your brother or your sister or your, I don't know, anyone in your life, whether they're like teenagers or older, you can't go wrong with AirPods. These are the generation 2, which, I mean, if you're not really that bothered about each generation, I just recommend the first one because they're perfect, they're not too dear, they are a brilliant gift because I wear my AirPods so much. Like, I'm constantly wearing them, and even though I do editing as a job and stuff, and this is my job, without editing I still live with them in my ears. It's quite bad, but it is a great gift, and I feel like for any age. These are the ones that I've got at the minute, and I've just bought a case for them. If someone already has AirPods, another great gift is buying them AirPod cases. I'll actually leave a link to the website I get my cases from. I think anyone would appreciate AirPods for Christmas, and I've just trapped my finger. These little things are tiny and expensive, but I'm pretty sure whoever you're buying them for is going to be very happy. Then Then the last gift idea that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is a Stacks, I think it's called Stacks, jewellery box. Now this again is for men and women, so it doesn't really matter who you buy this for. You can get different colours. My dad has one for his watches, but you can pop your rings in there. He also stores his bracelets that I got him. I think it's a really good idea to get them something like that, because I'm pretty sure most guys have a lot of watches, and if they do like their jewellery, it's a perfect way. It's a perfect way to keeping it organised and also keeping it clean and safe, because if you're anything like me, you lose jewellery. Like, I lose my rings all the time, especially because I have quite a lot to like pop on my fingers. So it's a great way to, I don't know, get them organised. But it's also just a nice gift idea because it's not something you would probably buy yourself, but I think it's amazing. My mum has one, I have one. You can get them in different colours as well, with clear tops, which I think is really nice. So yeah, if you are stuck on what to get someone, but you know that he wears watches and rings and things, then I will leave a link, of course, down to Stacks' website. Their jewellery boxes are so classy and minimal and lovely. So yeah, that was my final gift idea. Alright, so that is everything for today's video. I hope it wasn't too long and boring, but I do hope you got some ideas out of this video, and maybe I helped you even add to your own wish list. As the years go by, I think it's getting harder and harder to buy for people, and not just that, I think it's harder to ask for things as well. So if you even got ideas from this for yourself, then that's great. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.